Finally, the last example. The best looking example, if I do say so myself. Here we're talking about the average salary for public school teachers. So from 1985 through 2007, the average salary in thousands of dollars for public school teachers for the year T, so we're not using X here, we're using T, can be modeled by this equation: y equals a negative 2.983 plus 15.206 natural log of T. And this is where T is between 5 and 27. T represents 1985. So if you had a 10, that'd represent 1990, 15, 1995, on and on. During which year did the average salary for the public school teachers reach 45 G's? So since Y is in thousands, you have to be careful here, because what some people are going to do is they're going to solve this equation and they're going to set it equal to 45,000, but Y is in thousands, so don't set it equal to 45,000. Instead, set your equation equal to 45, and we're going to set that this equation equal to negative 2.983 plus 15.206 natural log of T. You're going to be solving for T. So what we want to do here is you could graph this, but we are also going to just solve it. So if we're trying to solve for natural log of T, I need to get this, or T, I need to get this T by itself. So let's add 2.983 to both sides. And that's going to give us a 47.983, and that's equal to 15.206 natural log of T. From here, we got to get rid of this 15.206, and that did not turn red. So 15.206, divide this by 15.206, and you should end up with a 3.15. We're going to abbreviate or round this to 4 decimals. That's equal to the natural log of T. In order to get rid of your natural log, you need to eat both sides. So we get T is equal to E to the power of 3.1555, which is approximately 23.46. Now, if this is your T value, then that means it wants to know during which year. So we don't just say T equals 23.46. You're going to say, well, if T is equal to 5, if that's 1985, 20 is going to, that means times 0 is 1980. So 1980 plus 203 is going to give you the year 2003. Huh. Well, that's funny though, making 45,000. It's more like 45 million. With all our perks, Mountain Dews are 40 cents, a little bit cheaper and all that kind of stuff. So that's how you that's how you solve a real life problem. Just make sure that you are answering the question. You don't put your T value. Now, I do have to admit this problem is a little bit off because the picture doesn't really do this good-looking guy justice over here. He's got a little bit darker hair, maybe a little bit longer too. Should be something. Here you go. Something a little bit better like this. So here we go. Let me move that down a little bit. Something's wrong with this picture. I don't know. It needs a little more hair on it, I think. So here you go. Afro time. I think this guy looks much better with an afro. And a smaller forehead. And one less chin. But you guys have a great day.